What's the best and worst part of making YouTube videos?
I guess I'll start it off. Well, for me personally, the best part is, I would say the process, but that would be a lie. I think the best part is the end where I see the final result, everything comes together, and I can see my hard work paying off. So that's the best part for me. The worst part is trying to stick to a consistent schedule. I try to do every 2 weeks, but that really doesn't happen. So that's probably the worst part, is trying to post every 2 weeks, and it's impossible with life. So that's fine.
Mine would be, I enjoy editing the videos. That's always fun. I try to make it different than the video before, sometimes very unsuccessfully. Remembering to record everything in the shop, trying to get a project done while you're also trying to film that project is frankly annoying if you don't have somebody to like remind you to start the camera or to film for you. Those are my two big things.
Oh, absolutely. Just adding the, hey, you're recording this, that can double the time of a project. And then after all that, you go back to post-processing and realize that for half the time of your best monologue, you look like this, and everybody's just sitting there. You're trying to figure out how you can make this work. That's probably the most frustrating part for me, is just realizing that I've got all my imperfections in my woodworking. This is just another layer of imperfections that I get to throw in there. Is now all the screw ups I do on video too. Best part sometimes is just watching some of those things. Some of those, you know what? I'm glad I got that on camera moments.
The best part for me is probably after you've posted the video and hopefully you start to see nice, thoughtful comments roll in. Because it's that reaffirmation that the hard work that you're doing actually made a difference to somebody, or that they actually saw that you were even working hard. And a lot of people don't understand that not only is it just the fact that you have to make that project, but you also have to somehow make it look good on camera. And it's a lot of stress and a lot of pressure to constantly be presentable in that regard. And to find a way sometimes when you've messed stuff up completely to actually make it good content. It can be hard, it can be challenging. So I guess that's kind of simultaneously the best and worst thing, is having people acknowledge that it's good and being proud of the work you did, but also knowing that you had to go through a lot of struggle just to make it look good.
Matt and Dom, as a father and son combo, what's the biggest challenges to YouTube?
I feel like the biggest challenge is probably getting yelled at to put on protective equipment all the time. And the best part is probably just like editing, because I really like being able to put the clips together and choosing like when everything happens in it.
Awesome.
For sure. It's so much fun. I mean, Corona came by and we thought, what were we going to do? And we decided to do, a woodworking YouTube channel, and we just kept doing it. And we're just having a blast with it. I get to spend time with this guy, and there's I guess I can't really think of a downside to that. So yeah.
Do you like that clip from our recent live stream? If so, you might want to check out the entire interview over here, or you might want to check out one of our other videos up here.